Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and blue is right here, y'all. This is Temu Tuesday, and I also want to talk to y'all about my collab that I'm doing right now. It's a Temu Summer Vibes, and in that collab with me is Reviews with Sue and Favorites with Laura, Nona's here, Tea Time Adventures, Miss Jackie Russell, and Jessie Miller Unboxings and more, and myself. So there's 7 channels. It's going on right now. It will end on Saturday. So if you haven't seen it yet, you still have time to go see all 7 videos. And we all are doing giveaways. And you have to be publicly subscribed to all 7 channels and comment on all 7 channels. And there's other rules, and the rules are always in my description of my videos. So go check them out. And then each channel may have their individualized rules that you need to follow, okay? And blue hopefully is going to stay calm down here so I can show you some of my things that I got from Temu. You know, Temu just has everything, absolutely everything. So it's my go-to. When I check things out, it's where I go to first. Used to be another company that I would go to first, and now I go to Temu first, and then if I can't find it, then I go to that other company. I do try to buy locally whenever I can, and but I live in a small area, so we don't have everything. So let me show you. For example, this is, I have my little price list here. I got these sponges because I always do. Well, I don't have, I had the price on that. Hang on. I think they were like $1.67. You can find these. All right, let's see. There's 12 in here. There's 6 packs. There's 12 packs. There's all different kinds. These are shaped where you can hold them. This one side is for Teflon. The other side is just sponge. Here in the South, things get moldy quickly. And I have bought the expensive sponges before. I put them in the dishwasher to get them clean, and that'll help some, but it doesn't they don't last forever. So something like this, if it gets moldy, I can just get rid of it. And also I have found that this material, different than a regular sponge, really rinses out easier and stays longer. So I like to get this. This usually, you can get it on a lightning sale sometimes for under $1, but most of the time under $2, and a 12 pack. And like I said, you can get 18 packs, 6 packs, all kinds, in all different style sponges based on what you like. Okay, and Smudge is over there talking to me. I got this, y'all, because, well, since we're in the kitchen, let's stay in the kitchen for a minute. I got these. I have some things like this in my kitchen. It's a basket that you put in your drain to catch, you know, little pieces off your plates, that type of thing. And it has a different rim than this, but I've had them for many, many years. And again, I put them in the top of the dishwasher to get them good and clean. But they just get funky looking over the years. I've had them for years. So I bought these. These were, my price list didn't have any prices on it. This was $1.87, okay? So, and then these were $1.23 for both of them. They came together. You might be able to buy them separate. You might be able to buy more than 2 at a time, but they're just so inexpensive. They're easy to replace. So I got that. And then there's a few things, y'all, that I got that were, I was a bit disappointed on. Let me show you. This was so pretty, so beautiful on their website. You may have seen it. I like to look at decorations and things. This is in my collab. This blouse is in my collab, actually. This is, you know, you can see it's plastic. This other side, not as shiny. This is a hanging piece. The way they make it looked bigger. This is so tiny. I don't know if you can see how tiny that is, but it's so tiny. It is pretty, so don't get me wrong. It has a little chain to hang it, and the chain doesn't even fit in anywhere that I can figure out. So it's not really usable for me. This was $3.37 because I thought it was like this big and had a nice chain to it to put in the window. So I did rest it in my window frame. So that's what I'll do. Again, I'll put it back there, but I'm disappointed in that. So it does happen sometimes that we get disappointed by things. And then we have something like this. I'm going to show you this, and then I'm going to show it to you on my chair. I have been in my house for 15 years, and when I bought this house, I bought some new furniture, and I have a recliner, and it is, you know, like a milkshake color, chocolate milkshake color, the best way I can describe it. I have a couch, I have a chair, the recliner, and I sit in that recliner all the time. I hardly ever sit on the couch. So Blue. So the cats sit with me, and, you know, I sit there, I might drink, I might eat a little bit, you know, and sometimes things fall, and the chair is just, it still works and everything, but the arms of the chair have gotten dingy. So I thought I would try these. This is $3.69 for this set. It's a pair of 2 sleeves. I just looked at the picture and then looked at my chair, and it looks like it might fit. It looks a little light colored to me, not as dark as I thought it would be, but this is what it looks like. You know, it goes on the end, and it's supposed to fit around the arm of the chair. So it might, you know, prolong the life of your chair. $3.69, y'all, and it is, they have many different kinds. They have many different prices. This is the back of it. It has a checker kind of a design to it, and it's nylon here. I think these would be easy to wash, to throw in the wash also. This also came with those little tiny screws to put it into the chair. So this nice little container, and I didn't open this up yet, so let me see if I can figure that out. Oh yeah, there are 1, 2, I think there's 8, because you can put them, you know, at the edges and all. If y'all are older like me, you might know these things from chairs, like my grandmother would have. You could put lace or something on a chair, or different kinds of things like this. Sometimes new furniture comes with this also, so that you can keep it newer, and so that it doesn't bother your fabric. If you can see that, you screw it in, and then the edge that sticks out so that no one gets harmed is this little plastic piece. So there's 8 pieces so that you can hook it up properly on your chair. So I'm going to put this back in here so I don't lose it. And $3.69, and it came with this. So a lot of times, in my opinion, old-fashioned stuff works fabulous. So I'm really happy to have that. And then I also got another thing I'm disappointed with here. So this, I'll show you at the end pictures of that on my chair so we can see how it works, okay? This was just, you know, for cute sake. I didn't have to get this, but no, I did. I don't know what's going on with Smudge. It says 1-piece charming kitten ceramic plate, $3.59. This is how it showed up on the screen, okay? Does that not look huge? Look at how teensy tiny this is, y'all. I thought it was going to be a little plate. You know, I'm thinking it was double this length. That's what I thought it was for $3.59. It's a little ceramic. It's super cute. It says Meow Meow Nico Sarah, designed in Japan. Super cute. You know, maybe for rings or something. It looks a little like Smudge, but it's I thought I could use it for, you know, maybe put some grapes on it or some watermelon or something to, you know, have a snack and eat in my recliner, you know, but it's so tiny, so tiny. So I'll probably put it, I don't know, I don't wear a lot of rings, but not sure where I'm gonna put it, but it is super cute. Maybe it'll fit back there against the wall, I'm not sure. But $3.59, I wouldn't pay that much for something so tiny. Okay, next up, I got 2 of these, y'all. This was 2 for 99 cents. I saw this on Brenda, Simply Brenda's channel, and I'll put her below. She's taking a summer break, but you can go still check out her channel. This is to go in your car. So on your headrest, you put this on the headrest metal piece, and then it'll hang off the back of the seat, and then you can hang bags here, grocery bags and things, so that they don't spill. I mean, or just whatever. I carry a bag to work every day, and it's pretty big. I always put it in the back seat. And I usually put it between the seat and my chair and the seat that's back there. But this would be nice. I could hang it on here. And it came with 2. So if you have something that's heavier, you could hook both these up and put the handle of your bag over both of them to, you know, for more sturdiness, or just different bags. So I thought that was well worth 99 cents. They're really heavy plastic, and 99 cents. They have great car accessories, And I have one more item to show you, and had I thought of it, I would have shown it to you while I was showing the kitchen stuff. So I have a memory foam rug at my kitchen sink. Because, you know, you stand there, you do dishes, whatever. And when I got Camille as a kitten, she tore it up really good with her nails. And she grew out of that, thank goodness. But they're, you know, at Walmart, they're $20. It is a different material than this. But I thought this was $5.99. They have a million to choose from. $5.99. This is 16 inches this way. And then it is 41 inches this way. So there's the back of it. It's different memory foam than what I have from Walmart. But here it has this nice, these are grips so that hopefully it won't move around too much. And then I just chose a design that I thought was cute. It has flowers and leaves. I like that. So I'm gonna try it out. And I'll take a picture or a little video or something and show you it down on the floor. And we'll see how it works, okay? So that's what I have for my Temu Tuesday. And I do ask you to go check out our collab, y'all. And I'll put, what I'll do is I'll put all the channels below, and I'll put the playlist also. So if you haven't seen it yet, you can easily find it. And just make sure that you're publicly subscribed and that you comment on everybody's video. And you can win one of 7 giveaways, y'all. So y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye. It's cute, y'all, and it is cushy. So I'll let you know how I like it over time. Well, this looks nicer than I thought it would. And it fits really well. It's stretched nicely over the arm of the chair. You know, there's my, it's an old chair, but it matches pretty well. I don't have the pins in yet, but it fits nicely over the arm. And like I said, they have many to choose from. And these, it was just so reasonable, I couldn't pass it up. There's Blue coming by. And there's Smudge. You gonna jump up, Smudge? You gonna check out the arms? This is the chair that I sit in mostly to watch my YouTube. You gonna get up there, Smudge? Well, come on.